Hey folks, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a potato and kale soup. Quite easy and simple. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start off with, I already have some water boiling in my nice deep pot, iron pot. I'm going to start off with some pumpkin that I already cut up into small pieces and some ginger. I'm going to add this to the boiling water. I'm going to allow the pumpkin to cook a bit while I prepping the other ingredients. I like to put pumpkin in my soups. It gives it a nice color, and also when it begins to soften and breaking up, it gives it a little thickness, creaminess to my soup. So I have here some variety of potatoes, mini potatoes. As you can see here, the one with the pink skin, and the regular potatoes, and some mini ones that look like stones. Not mini ones, but these like with a dark skin. I never tried those before, but it's going to go into my soup. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna add some one carrot that I sliced up here. I have some parsley flakes, generous amount of garlic powder, paprika powder, some basil, onion powder, now I'm going to add some kale, I was hoping to get much more of kale in the batch that I bought, but apparently some began to spoil. So this is all I got. The leaves that were good, this is all that I got. Coming together nicely. Really nice. My seasoning salt of choice is all purpose, Goya adobe. This is what I'm using. Okay, so this is the soup all done basically, but this is fine. This is the base of the soup. But for me, what I did was I went ahead and I toasted some turkey sausages. So I'm going to add that to serve for myself. Again, this is something you don't have to do, but I wanted to add some extra flavor to my soup. This will be super delicious. Yeah, baby. Thank you so much for watching.